In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have faster internet at home using Nordvpn. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working from home, or just browsing the web, we all know how critical it is to have a reliable and speedy internet connection. With Nordvpn, you can optimize your settings to ensure you get the best performance possible. Let's dive in and explore how we can enhance your internet speed with a few simple steps. First up, you'll want to go to the Nordvpn app. If you haven't done so already, simply download it from the Nordvpn website or your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it up and get ready to make some small, yet effective changes. Nordvpn is widely recognized for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to navigate, even if you're not the most tech-savvy individual. Once you're in the app, it's time to optimize your Nordvpn settings. The primary goal here is to tailor the VPN settings according to your specific needs. Head over to the Settings menu. You'll want to ensure that the relevant protocols, like NordLynx, are enabled. NordLynx is particularly important as it's designed to offer faster speeds without compromising your security. Now, with the settings optimized, it's crucial to pick the closest server. Selecting a server that's geographically close to your location can significantly reduce latency and improve speeds. You can find this option within the app under the server list. Choose a server that's near you from the map or the list, and this should provide a notable improvement in your internet speed. Remember, the shorter the data travel distance, the faster and more stable your connection will be. Lastly, consider using split tunneling. This feature allows you to choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones connect directly through your regular internet. By routing only specific traffic through the VPN, while the rest bypasses it, you can save bandwidth, which subsequently increases the overall speed. This is particularly useful when you only need the VPN for specific activities like accessing content that might be restricted in your country. To enable split tunneling, simply navigate to the setting in the app and select the applications you want to include or exclude. By following these steps, you'll be in a great position to maximize your internet speeds while maintaining the privacy and security benefits that come with using NordVPN. Make sure to routinely check for updates in the app too, since those can bring new features or improvements to help maintain optimal performance. So there you have it. A few simple tweaks to ensure your home internet is running as quickly and efficiently as possible. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster internet connection.